We'll guide you through how to fix a monitor that keeps turning off and on. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This problem can be really annoying and disruptive because it can just go and disturb you. Maybe you're trying to go and play a game, watch a show or movie, or do some work, and it keeps on turning off and back on again. So we're going to guide you through some different fixes you can try, make sure this full video, and hopefully you'll be able to go and solve it. So it's important to note that when it goes and turns off and on, this can go and happen when the connection is lost essentially. The monitor automatically goes and turns off and it sleeps, and it will then come back on. But also, if you find the screen just goes black, you may think that it's turning off and turning back on, but it's just the connection being lost as well. So we'll guide you through some different fixes you can try. For the first fix, this may seem obvious, but do just go and check the connection. What you want to do is go and unplug the cable from both your computer and your monitor, and just go and give it a blow just to go and make sure there's no dust or debris in there, and plug it back in on both ends and make sure it's firmly connected. There's not a loose connection because this can often go and cause it to go and turn off and on again. Next, after you've done that, you want to go and press search at the bottom, and you want to go and type in settings. In here, go to the left and press system, and you want to go and find display. Now you want to go and scroll down and find graphics and related settings, and press change default graphic settings at the top. What you can try doing is turning off variable refresh rate. Sometimes this can go and cause the problem if the screens go and have this on. So try turning it off. The next thing you want to try doing is you want to come and press search at the bottom of your computer. Type in device manager. When this opens up, you want to come to the left and you want to go and find display adapters and press the arrow to expand it, and you can go and find it here. And then what you can do is go and right click on it and you want to press update driver. You can do an automatic search. Sometimes an update can go and resolve the problem, and an out-of-date driver can cause this. If you go and have a dedicated card like an NVIDIA or AMD, like I do here, what you can do is press search at the bottom, and we can go and type in this case, NVIDIA. So with NVIDIA, you use the NVIDIA app. So go and open it up. If you haven't already got it and you have an NVIDIA card, you can download it online. We've got guides on this. Come to the left and you can press drivers, and you can go and press check for updates in the top right, and we can go and see there's an update available here. So what we can then do is press download, and when it's finished, we can then go and install it. Hopefully that will go and resolve the problem. If it doesn't, what you can try doing is pressing search at the bottom, and you can go and type in NVIDIA control panel, like so, and click on it to go and open it up. Wait for this to load, it shouldn't take too much longer. And what you want to do is come to the left in display and find setup G-Sync. What you can try doing is turning off G-Sync. Often this can go and cause the issue of where G-Sync's on, and if there are different refresh rates because they're different screens, this can go and cause it. So you can unselect it, and that should do it for both of them. You can click the check and press apply. Hopefully that will solve it. If it's still not working, press search at the bottom, type in command prompt or CMD, right click on it, and you can press run as administrator and let it run. And what you can then do is go and type in sfc /scan now, all one word. And you can then go and press enter, and it will go and start scanning. And if there's a problem, it will go and hopefully solve it. If you found this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video.